Margaret is 67. She sleeps 8 hours a night, drinks almost no alcohol, and eats what most people would call a healthy diet. Last spring, her doctor ran routine blood work. The results came back with 3 words she didn't expect: fatty liver disease. She wasn't overweight. She wasn't a drinker. She had no symptoms at all. Neither do most people. And that's exactly the problem. Here's what's happening inside the liver of someone with NAFLD, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Your liver has one job above all others: filter everything that passes through your blood. Toxins, hormones, fats, sugar. It processes all of it all day, every day. After 60, that job gets harder. Your metabolism slows, your hormones shift. Fat that your liver used to push through starts sticking to the cells instead. And it builds up, slowly, silently, with no pain and no warning. Up to 40% of adults over 65 have it. That's 4 out of every 10 people watching this right now. Most of them have no idea. 5 herbs. Starting with the one your liver has needed for decades, which is milk thistle. Used to protect the liver for over 2,000 years. But here's what the modern research actually shows, and it's more specific than most people realize. The active compound is silymarin. It does 3 things at once. It acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing the free radicals that punch holes in liver cells. It reduces inflammation because inflammation is what turns a fatty liver into a scarred one. And it stimulates liver cell regeneration. The liver can repair itself. Silymarin turns that repair switch on. After 60, that matters more than at any other point in your life, because your liver's ability to repair itself is already slowing down. Milk thistle doesn't replace that ability. It amplifies what's still there. How to use it? Look for a standardized extract, 70 to 80% silymarin, 140 to 200 milligrams per day. Tea capsule tincture. The form doesn't matter much. The silymarin content does. One caution: if you're on blood thinners or diabetes medication, check with your doctor first. Silymarin is powerful. That's why it works. That's also why it can interact. You've had this one in your kitchen for years. Most people have. Turmeric. And specifically, its active compound curcumin. But there's a mistake most people make every single time they use it, and we're going to fix that. First, what curcumin actually does: it blocks the enzyme that converts excess sugar into fat in your liver. After 60, your liver is less efficient at processing blood sugar. The overflow gets stored as fat. Curcumin interrupts that process before the fat forms. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism. Curcumin supplementation significantly reduced liver fat, liver enzymes, and body weight in NAFLD patients. Not anecdote. Clinical trial. Now, the mistake. Curcumin absorbed on its own is nearly useless. Most of it passes straight through you. But add 1 pinch of black pepper, just 1 pinch, and absorption increases by 2,000%. That's not a typo. 2,000. Because black pepper contains piperine, which unlocks curcumin in your gut. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 pinch of black pepper, warm water or golden milk, every morning. That's it. Number 3 is going to surprise you. The weed in your garden. The one you've been pulling out of the lawn for 30 years. Dandelion root is one of the most researched liver herbs in existence, and it works in a way that nothing else on this list does. Your liver makes bile. Bile is what breaks down fat. When you have a fatty liver, bile flow gets sluggish. Fat breaks down more slowly, which means more of it builds up. It's a cycle. Dandelion root breaks that cycle. It directly stimulates bile production. More bile means more fat processed. Less fat means a healthier liver. It also acts as a gentle diuretic, helping flush waste through your kidneys without the harshness of pharmaceutical diuretics. How to use it: 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root steeped in hot water for 10 minutes, 1 to 2 cups a day, 1 flag. If you're already on a prescribed diuretic for blood pressure or heart failure, talk to your doctor before adding dandelion. You don't want to double the effect without knowing it. Number 4 isn't a single herb. It's a combination, 3 ingredients that work better together than any of them do alone. Ginger, garlic, lemon. First thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Here's what each one is actually doing. Ginger. The compounds called gingerols and shogols protect liver cells from oxidative damage, the same kind that speeds up aging in every organ. A 2016 trial found ginger supplementation significantly reduced liver enzymes and liver fat in NAFLD patients. It's also one of the gentlest things you can give an older digestive system. Garlic. 1 crushed raw clove contains allicin. Allicin activates the liver's own detox enzymes, the ones that break down and eliminate toxins. It also lowers LDL cholesterol. For seniors, this isn't just a liver herb. It's a cardiovascular herb at the same time. Lemon. The acidity gets your digestive system moving before you've eaten anything. It stimulates bile flow. And the vitamin C goes straight to the liver as an antioxidant shield. The recipe: warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1 inch of fresh grated ginger, 1 raw garlic clove crushed. Drink it before breakfast. Give it 30 days. Don't watch the scale. Watch your energy at noon. Watch your digestion. Watch how you feel when you wake up. That's where the change shows up first. Number 5 is the one that surprises doctors. Berberine. Found in barberry, golden seal, Oregon grape, plants used in traditional medicine across 3 continents for centuries. And modern research keeps finding the same thing. This compound is more powerful than most people expect from a plant. It activates an enzyme called AMP, the master switch for your metabolism. When it's on, your cells burn fat instead of storing it. Your insulin sensitivity improves, and your liver stops receiving the flood of sugar and fat that was building up inside it. Multiple clinical trials have compared berberine directly to metformin, one of the most prescribed diabetes drugs in the world. In trial after trial, berberine performs comparably. That's not marketing, that's peer-reviewed research. For seniors, 1 rule: start low. Half a standard dose for the first 2 weeks. Berberine can lower blood sugars significantly. And if you're already on medication for that, the combination needs to be managed carefully. Talk to your doctor before you start. Before we finish, something I tell every patient who asks me about herbs: these are powerful plants. That's why they work. And that's exactly why you shouldn't treat them like vitamins from a shelf. Milk thistle, berberine, dandelion root. All 3 can interact with blood thinners, diabetes medication, and diuretics. Start 1 at a time. Give it 2 weeks before you add another. Tell your doctor what you're taking. Not because these are dangerous, because your doctor needs the full picture. Natural doesn't mean harmless. It means you need to be as careful as you would with anything that actually works. 5 herbs: milk thistle, turmeric with black pepper, dandelion root, ginger, garlic, and lemon, berberine. One question before you go: which one are you starting with? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you, pass it to someone over 60 who needs to hear it. That's who I made it for. Subscribe for more honest, evidence-based natural medicine, specifically for older adults. New video every week. I'll see you in the next one.